Hello, everyone. Today is January 27, 2023, Friday, and there were some trades I made today. Most of them, or three of them were a loss, and two of them profitable. So I'm gonna review that with you. Before that, let me remind you to like this video, please, and also subscribe to the channel if you like the content of it. Also check the description. There are some links there that could be of your interest. If you have questions, use the Discord link, and if you want to get a Apex account, there is a 50% discount with them. So okay, so let's review the trades. I have a fixation with gold trying to go up, and I review this in my weekly videos last week. So I thought that this week crude was going to move to the upside here, and it was fighting in this range area. In this range area right here, but it was not able to. Actually, it was rejected at that level and came back down. So before the market opened, I noticed here that there was a a level here that could serve as a resistance level, and sure enough, it went over there and hit 84.58, 82.58, 84, 82.50, and then came 82.48, and then came back down hard. Actually, hard. You see the momentum here. It's breaking it to the downside of there. So obviously I was wrong, and this is probably a good lesson for you guys. It's not what you think about what the market is going to do. It is what you see that the market is doing. So overnight, as you see here, I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna expand this one a little bit. So overnight, you see that I have a channel. So the price was moving up. So that it was feeding my my alert. Yeah, this thing is going to go to the upside. So this is where you get tricky. Remember that these guys, they know way more than you, me, or anybody. So they move the market. It's not you who move it. But so okay. So let's review the trade. So in my anxiety to take trades, I took this one here first, which was the first loss. Okay, so it went so in anticipation, and this is a word that you have to try to avoid. Okay, so if you're trying to anticipate a break, most likely you're going to be hurt. So you have to wait until the level. In this case, this level here is broken, and then you have, if you can take the break if you have several points of touch there, right? In this case, you have, in this case, 3, but at this point, I didn't have any. So I anticipated the move at least to that level before the market opened, right before the market opened, actually. And sometimes crude has a good move right before, and I was anticipating that one. So entry here, that level, 82.27, and it reversed on me almost immediately. So that was $80 per contract loss, so $160 down. So I kept the loss relatively slow, so $160 from there to there. So that one is a loss, and then the market could continue to go lower, and actually, found some resistance in the VWAP, right? So then I saw the market coming back up, and then it broke to the upside. Now in here you see that there is a wick, very very small, and so I saw that candle right here, this one, and then you see that there's a wick there. So I took the trade right above that one in the reverse. So so then it moved to one target. And again, I was anticipating the break of that, so I put a started to trail it. I removed my second target, and I put it, and I think that I put it up here. Surely enough, it hit the second target there, but I didn't solve because I moved it already to that level. So I came back down and then stopped me out at $10 above this one here. So it's actually $210 on this trade. So I was recovered. I think that so I had now $50 on my so profit, right? Now then I didn't do anything else. Just saw the market moving sideways. Actually, it's moving around it's moving around the VWAP here again. Let me expand this one a little bit. And then there's 3 additional trades. So I'm still with the fixation again that this thing was going to go higher. So I took that a week out of the moving average. Momentum was a little bit above the 25 level. So and then if you see the 25 level, if you want to replicate this one with your MACD, then the 25 level in this case, it's above all of these heels that you have there. So that's a tip. Look for the top of those heels and replicate that line in the MACD. All right, so let's get back to this. So I took one trade here, and that one was another loss. So $180 loss on this one, which is $90 per contract. So I put the entry right there, and then moved a couple of ticks up above, and then came back and then stopped me out right there. This is also a good lesson. This is why I trail the stop, and I don't just keep it down there or move it or move it down, because you never know when it's going to reverse. So my anticipation to that level again failed. So I had this level marked, and it was also not a good one because there's only one touch right there. Okay, so yeah, you see the touch in this area right here. So it's only one touch. This is not one, but it was forming the second one there. So I saw now 2 of the weeks, 2 weeks that are forming there. So my entry should have been right above that there, 3 ticks above, or 1 tick above, whatever. So I anticipated this one with this week. Momentum was moving down, another mistake, and then I took a second entry here. And if you analyze, this one is it's not my regular force setups, but let me see. So you have this one here, first entry long, second entry long. So sometimes what happens is that this second entry is a bull trap, and it's going to continue moving. But in this case, I was trapped. So made a lower high right there and a lower pivot, and came back down, and momentum gave only one bar in the histogram to the upside, and then came back down hard. So yeah, I'm now in the range, and then I saw this thing here, right? So I have this level right here formed by that bottom and that bottom, and then this one is the entry. So I did take a breakout right there, and I'm gonna paint it with this. So in between these two, you do have the lower one there, right? So if you put that one right there, so it's clear why I entered this trade. So you get one tick, a couple of ticks below that line right there. You enter it here, first target there, second target there, $300. So then in between all of the trades, I am actually at $30 for the day, and I recovered from 300. Let's see, $330. I was before 330 minus 300. Then I'm at $30. So I call it a day. I was not reading the market very well. So that was it for me. I know that there is some bullishness in ES, but I had this fixation with gold today, with crude today. Probably it's going to move up. You see, price is moving in the range, but it's breaking to the upside again. I'm gonna let it alone. I did try with 5 trades already. Didn't work. $30 a loss is good. And one more thing that I did was to add an additional. If you check this, I added an additional account, and so I started losing with that account. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 now, counting the one that I have in real money. So 6 accounts in Apex. Check the description and look, it crude is moving to the upside. I don't like the overall yet. It's kind of bouncing in the lows. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it alone for now and see if it moves to the highs again. We'll see. This would be a reversal anyways. I don't like to trade reversals. All right, so thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, remember you can ask in Discord, or you can make comments in the comment section of YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe and like the video. See you later.